guys, we're going to Rome. Let's go.
I got the carbonara. Ikaw, ano to?
Bolognese. Bolognese. Which one you like? The red sauce or the white sauce? Nah. Worth the hype ba?
Worth the price.
Worth the price kasi mura siya. 8 pounds lang siya or 8 euro. So guys, we book a tour in Viator. So we're riding on a go-kart. Golf cart actually. What's your name, brother?
Vito.
Vito.
Hello.
My family. It's gonna save us 1,000 steps, right?
1,000?
1,000 steps.
That's like
Steps,
walking.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, a lot of calories. Saved.
Akala namin masyadong taas yung Pisa Tower, but it's not. Pero tama lang yung taas niya.
We're still in Milan and we're going today to
Switzerland.
Kailangan na natin bumili kasi
Sobrang mahal doon. Although pang one day lang naman doon.
super mahal sa Switzerland. So,
Ayan ang paborito namin. Imagine, isang burger, 1,000 pesos each.
it's just Burger King. Ito na lang tayo kain. Because it's cheaper here.
There's a pasta na.
Kahit na yung manok is 4 Swiss francs. Daddy, yung manok 4 Swiss francs.
Oo nga, paano gagawin?
250 pesos isang ano lang. Isang leg lang.
napakataas. 25 minutes daw pala to. Oh my goodness. Yun o. Ang ganda dun. Sa may pinakatok-tok ulo pala. So we're going on the top of that mountain here.
We like the Dubai chocolate. I forgot the brand. So we're gonna try Lindt version. Lindt version.
This Lindt version is much better compared to the Dubai chocolate thing.
We don't know what this place is called, but super dami niyang cafe. Naghahanap lang naman tayo ng ano, gelato.
Gelato. Ganda ng strawberry.
Wow! Sarap.
Welcome to our favorite gelato. Kahit saan kami mapunta dito sa Europe, kumakain kami ng gelato. Kasi nung nagbalik kami, dito rin kami bumili sa store na to. Venchi. Ito lang in-order natin. Piccolo. Yummy. Kunti na serving nila dito.
with Boa. Auntie Jovi.
Welcome to Barcelona.
She lives here in Barcelona. Hi, Dad.
gambas. Ang amount niya is almost 16 euro. Kailangan bawat kagat, namnamin mo bawat sarap.
Sana parang hinayaan mo muna masunog. Ilalim.
Hindi mo susunog. Iba yung lutuan.
Thank you po.
Hindi, nandiyan lang sa ano.
We're
Brabas, konti lang.
in Uncle Edwin's restaurant. Husband of Boa Auntie. We're gonna eat one of the best paella.
Nami octopus, the best.
So, dinadayo sila dito. What's this? Wow, so good. Yummy. Thank you for bringing us here.
Hi.